Hi everyone. Today, once again, I am trying to record this video for you all to bring it to your understanding about certain forgotten facts of computer science. So, these are certain forgotten facts of computer science. Now, why am I saying like these are forgotten facts of computer science? Is for all various reasons. Today, these topics are not included in different textbooks or in different curriculums, maybe curriculums of engineering, or maybe curriculums of diploma, or maybe curriculums of other undergraduate courses, or about other computer science courses. So that is the reason I thought I will take a opportunity to revive and revise and overview about some of the forgotten facts of computer science. Okay, so by saying that, I would like to discuss regarding about who invented the computers first. This is the first point in today's discussion. In this video, I would like to have it about forgotten facts of computer science. So we will say who invented computers first. So most of us have some idea about this one, and most of us or some of the faculty might have claimed during their delivering of the classes or during the making the students to understand about this particular aspect, stating that Charles Babbage is the first person to be credited who has invented the computers. Yes, that is a true, and that is a fact that Charles Babbage is credited as the first person who has invented the computers. So, not only the Charles Babbage, there are few more people who have given their efforts about deriving and designing today's computer, and my focus is also to explore about those facts also. That is the reason we have taken up the title called as Forgotten Facts of Computer Science, and under which we are saying the first person to be credited is Charles Babbage. There is no bias or there is no contradiction on this, but somehow today's generation is not taught with this particular information for all various reasons. So I thought I would take the opportunity to introduce about these wonderful people who have contributed in giving this current technology to us. So Charles Babbage is an English mathematician, and he is credited to be as a first person who has invented the computer, and he has designed two calculating devices which are called as difference engine and analytical engine, though they were not in full built up form, but he has designed the concept, or he has derived the concept, something like two machines called as difference engine and analytical engines. And it is also understood that later on, the people who have joined in this field of exploring the computer science have drawn some reference, have drawn some understanding from the Charles Babbage design of analytical engine and about difference engine, and then they have made their own efforts in designing today's computer. And the second uh, category I would like to say is about C. John Vincent is one person, and also Clifford. Okay, these two people to be credited as the second people in the race of understanding, of contributing their efforts in designing our efforts in designing the early computers. So these two people have designed, or they have created something called as Atanasoff Berry computer. These two people have derived something called as Atanasoff Berry computer, and this is also called during those days as ABC. Okay, this is also called as ABC, and this is designed or invented in 1942 by those two above mentioned two people. However, neither this computer was was programmable, or nor it is a Turing complete. But anyhow, we happen to understand that these two people can be explored and remembered, are to be remembered as contributors in today's computer science or in today's computers. Then we have under third category we have Frederick. Okay, we have Frederick, and also Frederick Williams, and we also have Tom. These are other two people who have tried to take it further in designing today's computer in those days, and they have developed a technology, they have developed the computer using a technology called as small scale experimental machine. They have developed a technology or computer using the technology called as small scale experimental machine. Small scale experimental machine. So this is also called as SSEM model based one. The computer is also called referred and called as SSEM based one, and this is invented by these two people, Frederick and Tom, in 1948. And we have under the fourth category we have Conrad. Okay, we have Conrad. Is a German engineer who actually developed the computer called as Z1 computer. Okay, he is the person who has invented the computer called as Z1 computer, and this invention was happened in 1983. Okay, this invention has happened in 1983, which was the first computer to use binary codes to represent the numbers, and later on he has also explored in designing Z3 computer as a successor for Z1, which is fully automatic. Okay, which is fully automatic. So the third category of a person to be explored and understood as a forgotten facts of today's computer, who has contributed in developing the today's computer. And under the fifth category, okay, under the fifth category, we have a person called as William. We have a person called as William, our scientist called as William. He actually invented a slide rule. Okay, he actually invented a slide rule in 1622, uh, which is also in a component, or which is also in a machine, which is also in a mechanical kind of machine or component, you can understand, wherein which it also has given some interest for the further scientists to think about in designing and developing the computer. Now, computer, you all know it that it is a computing machine or it is a calculating machine. Thank you. Once again, I will come with new and other facts of other forgotten facts of computers. See you all in the next video. Thank you.